Hi everyone, welcome to Rado's Baking Lab. If you're a fan of delicate flavors and beautiful desserts, get ready for something special. Today, we're making the elegant and delicious Pistachio Macaron. If you find my recipes helpful and want more tips and tutorials, please like and subscribe. Your support means the world. First, we'll create our pistachio almond paste. In a large bowl, combine your finely ground almond flour, powdered sugar, and pistachio flour. Give them a good whisk to ensure everything is evenly blended. After that, add the room temperature egg whites and make nice and smooth paste. Make sure there is no lumps in the paste. Next, we're making Italian meringue. In a small saucepan, combine sugar and water. Place the pan over medium heat and let the syrup start to cook. Keep an eye on your sugar syrup. Once it reaches 115 degrees Celsius, 240 Fahrenheit, start whipping your egg whites in a separate bowl. And when it reaches 124 degrees Celsius, 255 Fahrenheit, take the pot off the heat immediately. Now, with your mixer on low speed, slowly drizzle the hot syrup into the whipped egg whites. Be careful, the syrup will be very hot. We will keep mixing. We're cooling down the meringue and creating that perfect glossy texture. Aim for a final temperature of 39 degrees Celsius, 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Our meringue is perfect. Now, the fun part, folding it into the almond paste. Gently fold in a third of the meringue at first, then add another third, and finally the rest. Keep folding until you have a smooth, glossy macaronage. Remember, the key is not to overmix. Fill your piping bag with our macaron batter. Remember to hold the bag straight up and down, about an inch above the baking sheet. Squeeze gently to pipe rounds of your desired size. Before baking, let your piped macarons dry for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 140 degrees Celsius, 284 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake them for 15 minutes. While we are waiting for the shell to be fully baked, let's create the ultimate filling, a rich and delicious pistachio ganache. Get ready for the perfect flavor combination. In a saucepan, pour the heavy cream and pistachios. Bring them a boil and pour it onto white chocolate. Then take your hand blender and blend it very well. Make sure there are no big pistachio chunks in the ganache. After you are done blending, cover it with a plastic wrap and let it set in the room temperature for about 2 hours. The macaron shells are baked. It's time to make our macaron sandwiches. Take your pistachio ganache into a piping bag and pipe the ganache on your macaron shells. Make a sandwich. I assure you this is so much fun. And now it's time to make some artistic touch. Grab a chocolate cone and drizzle some chocolate on your macarons. Do not forget to stick some finely chopped pistachio on the top in order to create perfect look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more baking adventures. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep baking and creating.